Planning for a perfect picnic but don't know what to pack? Well, fret not, for this is your ultimate guide to assembling the quintessential picnic basket. Today, we're going to explore the delightful world of picnics, unearthing the secrets behind choosing the right basket, packing the essentials, and preparing mouth-watering food that will make your picnic a memorable experience. Picnics are more than just a meal. They're about creating unforgettable memories with your loved ones. Whether it's a sunny day at the park, a breezy afternoon by the beach, or a tranquil moment under a tree's shade, the joy of a picnic is unmatched. But what lays the foundation for a flawless picnic? It's the art of packing the perfect picnic basket. Choosing the right basket is the first step. It's not just about the aesthetics, it's about practicality too. A good picnic basket is spacious enough to fit all your essentials, sturdy to withstand the journey, and stylish to add that extra charm to your outing. But what are these essentials we're talking about? Keep watching as we reveal them in the upcoming sections. Food is the heart of every picnic. It's about packing meals that are not only delicious, but also travel-friendly. From sandwiches and salads to sweet treats and refreshing beverages, we'll guide you through the labyrinth of picnic foods. And what's more, we'll also share with you 3 easy-to-make recipes that'll take your picnic game to a whole new level. Remember, a well-packed picnic basket is not only about the food. It goes beyond to include handy items like a blanket, utensils, napkins, and even a bug spray. These are the unsung heroes of a successful picnic, and we'll tell you exactly why. So buckle up, fellow picnic enthusiasts, as we embark on this exciting journey of packing the ultimate picnic basket. Get ready as we dive into the art of packing the ultimate picnic basket. Your picnic starts with the right basket. Yes, indeed. Just as you wouldn't embark on a journey without the right backpack, you wouldn't start your picnic without the right basket. It's more than just a carrier. It's a crucial part of your picnic experience. So how do you choose the perfect picnic basket? Well, first, let's talk about the different types. There are traditional wicker baskets, contemporary insulated baskets, and even backpack-style baskets for those who prefer a hands-free experience. Each type has its charm and utility, so choose one that resonates with your style and needs. Now, let's delve into the features. Size is a significant factor. If you're planning a romantic picnic for 2, a small cozy basket would do. But if you're heading out with a group, you'll need a larger one to accommodate everyone's treats. Remember, it's not just about fitting everything in, it's about fitting everything comfortably. Next, we come to the material. Wicker baskets have a classic rustic charm and are quite sturdy. But if you're concerned about the weight or if you're planning a beach picnic, you might want to go for a lighter, insulated material. Insulated baskets help keep your food at the right temperature, whether it's hot meals or chilled desserts. Lastly, let's talk about compartments. Compartments are like the secret sauce of picnic baskets. They help keep your food and drinks organized, preventing squashed sandwiches or spilled drinks. Some baskets even have special compartments for wine bottles or cutlery. So, when choosing your basket, take a moment to think about what you're likely to pack and select a basket that has the appropriate compartments for your needs. Remember, the perfect picnic basket is not just about functionality, it's also about aesthetics. Choose a basket that you love, one that adds to the charm and joy of your picnic. Now that you've chosen the perfect basket, what do you put in it? Let's find out. Before the food, come the essentials. It's easy to get swept up in the excitement of creating a scrumptious menu and forget about the non-edible items that can make or break your picnic experience. First up, napkins. You can't have a picnic without them. They're your first line of defense against spills and sticky fingers. Plus, they're perfect for wrapping up leftover bits and pieces, so don't forget to pack plenty. Next, utensils. While finger foods are a picnic staple, not everything can be eaten with your hands. Ensure you have a set of reusable forks, spoons, and knives. Remember to pack a sharp knife too. It's handy for slicing fruits, cheeses, or that yummy pie you might bring along. And speaking of pies, how about a cutting board? It's not just for cutting. It can double up as a serving platter, making your picnic spread look even more appetizing. A blanket is another must-have. It's not just a place to sit, but also a way to claim your picnic spot. Choose one that's easy to clean and large enough to accommodate everyone comfortably. Now you might be thinking, that's a lot of stuff. Well, that's where a good picnic basket comes into play. Choose one that's sturdy, spacious, and easy to carry. Some even come with built-in cooler compartments. How cool is that? Let's not forget about trash bags. A responsible picnicker leaves no trace behind. So pack a couple of bags to collect your garbage and any other litter you might find. Lastly, consider a few extras like a picnic tablecloth, a portable speaker for some music. And don't forget the sunscreen. And there you have it. These are your picnic essentials. It's not just about the food, but also creating a comfortable and enjoyable environment. With these essentials, you're already halfway there. Let's move on to the delicious part. The food. Food is the heart of any picnic. That's a statement we can all agree on, isn't it? So let's dive into the delicious world of picnic foods and explore the types of food that make for a perfect picnic spread. First up, sandwiches. They are the quintessential picnic food for a reason. Easy to make, easy to pack, and with endless variety, sandwiches are a picnic staple. You can go for classic combinations like peanut butter and jelly or ham and cheese, or get creative with gourmet ingredients. Next, let's talk about salads. And no, not just your typical lettuce and tomato salad. Think pasta salads, couscous salads, or even quinoa salads. These dishes are great because they can be prepared ahead of time and taste even better after sitting for a bit. Just remember to pack your dressing separately to avoid a soggy salad. Then we have finger foods. These are small, bite-sized items that are easy to eat without utensils. Think along the lines of cherry tomatoes, carrot sticks, olives, or cheese cubes. These are great for nibbling on throughout your picnic. And we can't forget about fruits. Not only are they a healthier option, but they also provide a refreshing taste. Grapes, apples, and berries are all excellent choices. If you want to up your fruit game, consider making a fruit salad or kebabs. Speaking of sweet things, dessert is a must at any picnic. Cookies, brownies, or fruit tarts are all great options. Just remember, if it's a hot day, avoid anything that might melt. Now, let's quench that thirst. Water is essential, of course, but you can also pack lemonade, iced tea, or even a bottle of wine for a romantic touch. Just remember to stay hydrated, especially on warm days. So why are these foods picnic-friendly? Well, the key to a successful picnic is simplicity. Foods that can be eaten cold or at room temperature, that are easy to handle, and that don't spoil easily are your best bet. Plus, it's always a good idea to pack food that won't attract unwanted guests, like bees or ants. And one more thing, don't forget about food safety. Keep foods that need to be chilled in an insulated cooler with ice packs, and don't leave them out in the sun for too long. Remember, the best picnic foods are the ones you enjoy eating. So feel free to mix and match, experiment with different flavors, and most importantly, have fun with it. A picnic is about more than just the food, it's about the experience. Now that we know what types of food to consider, let's get cooking. 3 quick and easy recipes that will make your picnic a hit. Let's dive right into the fun part, the food. Today, we're going to whip up 3 simple yet mouth-watering picnic dishes that you and your loved ones will absolutely adore. They are easy to make, great to taste, and perfect for a picnic setting. Our first dish on the menu is a refreshing Greek pasta salad. To make this, you'll need some cooked pasta, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, black olives, feta cheese, and for the dressing, you'll need olive oil, red wine vinegar, dried oregano, garlic, salt, and pepper. This salad is a breeze to make and is packed with vibrant flavors. Start by mixing the olive oil, red wine vinegar, oregano, minced garlic, salt, and pepper in a bowl. This will be your dressing. In a larger bowl, combine the pasta, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, black olives, and crumbled feta cheese. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss until everything is well coated. There you have it, a Greek pasta salad that's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Next up, we have mini chicken wraps. These are delightfully tasty and just the right size for a picnic snack. You'll need cooked chicken, lettuce, tomatoes, grated cheese, and tortilla wraps. For the sauce, mix together mayonnaise, honey, and mustard. First, spread the sauce on the tortilla wraps. Then layer your cooked chicken, lettuce, tomatoes, and cheese. Roll up the wrap tightly, then slice it into mini portions. These mini chicken wraps are not only delicious, but also super portable, perfect for a picnic. Our final dish is a classic, fruit skewers. You can't go wrong with this one. It's healthy, refreshing, and kids love it. Choose your favorite fruits: strawberries, grapes, pineapple, melon, kiwi. The choice is yours. Thread the fruits onto wooden skewers, and voila, you have a colorful and healthy treat. Now, for a little twist, you can drizzle some honey over the skewers or dip them in a quick yogurt dip. For the dip, mix Greek yogurt, honey, and a pinch of cinnamon. It's a delightful accompaniment to the fruit skewers and adds an extra layer of flavor. These 3 recipes are just a taste of what you can prepare for a picnic. They are quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. But the best part is, they don't require any fancy cooking skills or equipment. All you need is a love for good food and the company of your loved ones. Remember, the key to a great picnic is simplicity. Choose dishes that are easy to make, easy to pack, and easy to eat. Opt for foods that can withstand a bit of travel and won't spoil if left out for a few hours. And most importantly, pack foods that you and your loved ones enjoy. We hope these recipes inspire you to create your own picnic menu. Feel free to get creative and add your own twist to these dishes. After all, cooking is all about experimenting and having fun. So roll up your sleeves, put on your apron, and let's get cooking. Preparing food for a picnic isn't just about feeding hungry mouths, it's about creating memories. Each dish you prepare is a token of your love and care, and that's what makes a picnic truly special. We've covered the food, but a picnic is about more than just eating. It's about enjoying nature, spending quality time with loved ones, and making memories that last a lifetime. So, while the food is important, remember to also pack a good dose of fun, laughter, and love. And voila! Your picnic menu is ready. Now let's get packing. Packing your picnic basket is an art in itself. Now let's delve into the intricacies of this art. One might think it's as simple as tossing in your food and supplies, but oh, it's so much more than that. It's about maximizing space, preserving the integrity of your food, and keeping your cold items cold. First things first, you need to consider the order in which you pack your items. The golden rule is to place the heavy, durable items at the bottom. Think canned beverages, jars of pickles, or that hefty watermelon you've been saving for a sunny day. These items provide a solid base for your basket and are less likely to be squashed. Next up, you've got your plates, cutlery, and other non-food essentials. These can be nestled atop your heavy items, providing a sort of second floor to your picnic basket architecture. Just make sure to wrap your cutlery and plates in a cloth napkin or small towel to prevent them from rattling around. Then comes the main event, your food. When packing your food, imagine you're playing a game of Tetris. You want to fit your food containers in such a way that no space is wasted. Square or rectangular containers are your best friends here, as they stack neatly and efficiently. Now you might be wondering, what about those soft items? The sandwiches, the cupcakes, the pastries? Well, they go on top. This way, they are less likely to get squished under the weight of other items, and you can easily access them when hunger strikes. But wait, we're not done yet. We still have the issue of keeping our cold items cold. For this, we turn to our trusty friends, ice packs. But instead of just tossing them in, consider wrapping them in a cloth or towel and placing them strategically around your cold items. This way, they do double duty, keeping your food cold and providing extra padding to prevent jostling. And finally, on the very top, place your blanket, providing a soft cushion and easy access when you're ready to set up your picnic spot. Remember, packing your picnic basket is not just about stuffing everything in. It's about thoughtfully arranging your items in a way that ensures everything arrives at your destination in perfect condition. It's about considering the journey your basket will take and preparing for every bump along the way. So there you have it. With a little bit of planning and a dash of creativity, you can master the art of packing a picnic basket. And remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. And there you have it, a perfectly packed picnic basket. Congratulations, you're now a picnic packing pro. You've learned everything from selecting the perfect basket to packing it like an expert. We've journeyed together through the essentials, from the must-have supplies to the tastiest foods that make a picnic truly memorable. We've demystified the art of picnic cuisine, highlighting 3 quick and easy recipes that are sure to impress. Remember, the key ingredients to a successful picnic are simple: good food, good company, and a well-packed basket. Picnicking is more than just a meal outdoors. It's an opportunity to connect with loved ones, to enjoy the beauty of nature, and to create lasting memories. And now, you're equipped with the knowledge to make every picnic a success. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave us a comment with your favorite picnic foods. Happy picnicking!